Today on Ridge Roamer, the Tiger 900 gets new shoes. So stock, these come with the Metzeler Tourance, and they're a good tire. Let's see here. There we go. Tourance Next. But somehow, even though I live in probably one of the curviest spots in the United States, this rear tire is very much flattened. And I want something slightly more off-road aggressive. So we're going to go ahead, head over to the Triumph dealership. My new tires are in, and we'll get them put on. The other issue I was having on these stock tires was the fact that at certain speeds, they were actually howling. The tread, I do a really good job of keeping my tire pressures where they're supposed to be, but the tread was just worn and it was making a bunch of really weird noises that was bugging me. That coupled with the flat spots in the back where the turn-in just wasn't what I wanted it to be anymore. There's so much curves around my area. That's what you spend a lot of time doing. So anytime a tire starts getting squared off, it's just not a great feeling. And then I was looking for something with a little bit more tread. I did stay with the stock tire size, so there's no change at all to the width or the aspect ratio or any of that. They make the tire exactly the right size for this Tiger 900 GT. Just got back from the dealership, short ride home. Obviously on the road you've got that initial feeling where they turn in a lot better because they're new and round, so that felt amazing. But off-road, coming up the driveway, they also did quite well. Not done enough riding on them yet to really get a great feel for how they're gonna do, but I love the look. I love the initial feel. Based on all the reviews, these should perform quite well. Thank you again for joining me on another video. As soon as I get a few hundred miles on these, get them scrubbed in real good, and get a little bit better feel for them, I'll do another review, but should definitely be noticeably better than the stock tires. And based on everything I'm seeing on the market right now, it was one of my top 3 choices. My second choice, just a little bit more off-road than I wanted to go. with all the street riding that I do. So this kind of hit that sweet spot for me, and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you.